NARSA Idea family. My name is Mary Margaret Miller and I'm the Business Development Director. And today I've got with me Mark Taylor, our Executive Director, and we're so excited to talk about our upcoming 2022 Spring Conference in Houston, Texas. So, Mark, on Thursday we're going to be at Don Hart's place in Waller, Texas. Tell us what's going on.
So, just want to thank Don Hart and Don Hart's family for hosting us for Thursday in Waller. We have a great program set up, and one of the reasons why we asked Don to host Thursday's event is we wanted our members to see what diversification looks like in action. And he's a great example of this, and it's helped him to grow the business. And so we want everybody to be able to experience that. And we have great programs set up that are going to all tie into the niches. You know, they say the riches are in the niches, right? So, you know, we think that this is just such a great example of that. And L&M Radiators going to talk about Masabis. We've got the gentleman from Multi-Wings going to talk about setting up fans for generators, adjustable fans and pitches. We have welding demonstrations, how to set up your welding machine, plasma cutting tables, gas tank renew people are going to be there.
It's a full day.
We've got like something like all day long. And then what are we going to do?
And then we promise to feed you a delicious Texas barbecue. And then we're going to end the day with a Cinco de Mayo celebration. So there is going to be a ton of delicious food, great training. You're not going to want to miss it. So that's Thursday. Then on Friday, we're going to be at the Houston City Place Marriott. And then what do we have going on Friday at the hotel?
5 more hours of programming.
Right.
We have Joe Long talking about DPF DEF fluid. We have him talking about coolants. We have a presentation about EV technology and the cooling systems that are going to be involved in cooling EV trucks. Then we have Mary Kelly talking about leadership and the economy. So it is a packed day.
And then we're going to end the day with our vendor exhibition. We've got a great lineup of sponsors and exhibitors. So you get to end the day networking, talking with your fellow NARSA members. It's going to be a great weekend. It's going to be a great event.
Absolutely.
You can go to narsa/idea.org to sign up, and we really hope to see you there.